images arise within the mind, drawn by wanting, shaped by time. Forms appear and fade again, built by longing deep within. The pull to reach, the need to hold stories that the senses told. Circles turning round and round, searching outward, never found. When desire gently falls away, the endless forming starts to fade. No more chasing shape or name. The inner stillness now remains. The cycle slows, the wheel unwinds. Quiet rests, the shaping mind, freed from images once spun. The inward path has just begun. Vital force once tied to form moves within a higher norm. Energy that shaped the scene turns to what has always been. No grasping hand, no outward pull. The inner space is clear and full. From the surface turning in, a subtler life now begins. When desire gently falls away, the endless forming starts to fade. No more chasing shape or name. The inner stillness now remains. The cycle slows, the wheel unwinds. Quiet rests, the shaping mind, freed from images once spun. The inward path has just begun. Not destroyed but redirected, life force softly now collected. What once bound now lifts and clears beyond the forms, beyond the years. When desire no longer leads, no more outward chasing needs. Forms dissolve into the whole, resting deep within the soul. The cycle ends, the motion stills, inner truth at last fulfills. Nothing lost and nothing